In most cases, engulfing patterns are among the most reliable 2-candle reversal patterns. In the case of a bearish engulfing pattern, the first green candle's real body is completely engulfed by the range of the second red candle's real body. In most cases, for a strict bearish engulfing pattern, the first candle's high-low range will also be fully engulfed by the real body of the second red candle. The definitive close lower in the same general outline of a red bearish star presents strong opposition to an existing uptrend. There are elements similar to dark cloud cover. However, this takes it a step further down and presents full opposition instead of just mere bearish intent. The 2 candles comprising a bearish engulfing can also both be red, but the end result always combines to form a red bearish star's price action outline and not a green one, since the second candle will close lower than the close of the first candle. Naturally, the bullish engulfing pattern has all the same elements except they are in the reverse, often with a first red candle continuing an existing downtrend, followed by the second green candle presenting strong opposition in favor of a new uptrend. Likewise, both candles can also be the same color, in this case green, but it is less common and will still result in the same general price action of a green bull hammer when the 2 candles are combined. The engulfing patterns are probably the most popular 2-candle reversal patterns because they combine the strength of a gapping kicking pattern with the greater stability of overlapping real body ranges. An evening star is a bearish reversal pattern that often begins with a green candle continuing an existing uptrend. The second candle can be a variety of shapes and sizes. However, it is preferable that the real body be smaller than the real body of the first and third candle. It is also better that the second candle be red to present more opposition to the uptrend, and after all, it is a bearish reversal pattern. The third candle is again larger than the second candle. However, it is usually around the same size as the first candle. It will also be red to close lower to form a bearish star. Depending on how low it goes, it will either be red or end up being a green bearish star's general price action. Certainly there will be variation, especially with 3 candles, which can form in various shapes and sizes, but the key feature to look out for is a symmetrical evening star with the second candle being smaller and the third and first candles being relatively symmetrical. Another very important feature is for the second candle to have its real body form a gap from the real body of the first and third candle. Ideally, the lower wick of the second candle will not overlap with the first and third candle. But this is less common, and there is overlap of these wicks from time to time, and some less strict interpretations of this pattern may see the upper wicks of the first and third candle overlap with the real body range of the second candle, or the second candle's lower wick overlaps with the real body range of either the first and or third candle. And naturally, a morning star has the same features except in the context of a bullish reversal. The second candle in these star patterns is very important as it represents deliberation and transition from an existing trend to a new potential reversal trend. These star patterns are generally popular and reliable patterns similar to the level of the engulfing patterns because they provide a good balance with the strength of a kicking pattern provided by the gaps between the real bodies of the candles, and a gradual stable transition over 3 candles with the overlapping real body ranges from the first and third candles. Like other reversal candle patterns, the bullish morning star is best found during an existing downtrend and near an area of established support, and for the next candle to trade above the high of the pattern, which will be the high of either the first or third candle, depending on which candle has the higher high. In doing so, the candle that follows the morning star is presenting a greater chance to develop an uptrend. Some less strict and less reliable interpretations of the morning star pattern can simply have the following candle trade above the high of the third candle, even if its high is lower than that of the first candle, and that would be adequate criteria for the increased chances of an upward reversal. These same points apply to the evening star, but of course in the context of a bearish reversal.